Hello, my name is Alex Davies and I am a family lawyer at Cripps, Pemberton Greenish. In English law, you are entitled to a divorce for a marriage or dissolution of a civil partnership if you have passed your first anniversary and the relationship has broken down irretrievably. The breakdown can be demonstrated in one of the following ways. Firstly, if your opposite sex spouse commits adultery, or secondly, if your spouse behaves unreasonably. But don't delay on those first two because time limits apply. Thirdly, if your spouse deserts you for 2 years. Fourthly, if you and your spouse separate for 2 years and both consent to end the marriage or partnership. And lastly, if you and your spouse separate for 5 years, then consent is not required. You'll notice that I haven't mentioned irreconcilable differences. That's because it's not a ground for divorce. It might be an indicator of unreasonable behaviour, but it's not a ground for divorce. Remember also that divorce does not automatically sort out your financial issues. That's a separate thing that will need to be looked at. And I'll talk about that in other videos. Finally, the family court will not automatically look at arrangements for your children. So if that's a concern for you, then it's best to take legal advice sooner rather than later. My contact details are on the screen and please contact me if you would like to discuss your circumstances.